Simon says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hello and welcome to the QuickBooks Online Intermediate course, where we are going to begin our journey to master QuickBooks Online for enhanced financial management. In today's dynamic business environment, managing finances efficiently with digital tools is key. Whether you are a seasoned finance professional or someone looking to deepen your QuickBooks skills, this course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to excel in the financial aspects of your business using QuickBooks Online. Now, let's explore how this course can add significant value to your professional journey. QuickBooks Online is more than just an accounting software. It's a comprehensive financial management tool. It enables you to track expenses, generate detailed reports, manage invoices, and integrate with various third-party apps to streamline your business operations. Understanding and utilizing these advanced features will not only improve your financial accuracy but also enhance your decision-making process, providing a clearer picture of your business's financial health. Before diving in, let's outline the prerequisites for this course. You need to have a basic knowledge of accounting principles, a familiarity with QuickBooks Online basics, access to a QuickBooks Online subscription, and a desire to enhance your financial management skills will go a long way. These prerequisites ensure that you can fully benefit from the course. Welcome back to our QuickBooks Online tutorial series. In this session, we are going to dive deeper into the QBO interface, exploring some of the more advanced features and functionalities that can help you manage your business finances more efficiently. By now, you should be familiar with the basic layout of QuickBooks Online. Let's start by revisiting the dashboard. You'll notice several key areas that provide a snapshot of your financial health. As an intermediate user, it's crucial to leverage these sections to gain deeper insights. The left navigation bar, with its distinctive dark color, is your compass in this financial landscape. It's your gateway to various sections of QuickBooks Online, and we are here to unlock its full potential. Let's delve deeper into the left navigation bar. It's not just a static feature, it's customizable to match your preferences. Click on the Edit button, represented by the pencil icon, and curate your navigation bar. Hide what you don't need and keep your interface clean and organized, just the way you like it. Let's look at the Transactions section. Under Transactions, here you can see the balances of all connected accounts. For an intermediate user, keeping these accounts reconciled and up to date is essential. Regular reconciliation ensures that your books reflect accurate financial data, which is critical for making informed decisions. To reconcile your accounts, go to the Reconcile tab under Transactions. This process helps you match your QBO records with your bank statements, catching any discrepancies early. Next, let's explore the Expenses section. As an intermediate user, you should be comfortable with categorizing expenses and attaching receipts. But did you know you can set up recurring expenses for regular payments? This automation saves time and ensures consistency in your bookkeeping. To set up a recurring expense, go to the gear icon, then select Recurring Transactions. Select New, choose Expense, and fill out the necessary details. This feature is particularly useful for managing monthly bills like rent or utilities. Now, let's move on to reports. As an intermediate user, generating and customizing reports is a powerful way to analyze your financial performance. QuickBooks offers a variety of reports, but customizing them can provide a more tailored experience. To customize a report, select the report you need, such as the profit and loss report, click on Customize, and you can adjust the date range, add or remove columns, and filter specific data. Save these customizations for future use to streamline your reporting process and save time. In the sales section, managing customer transactions is absolutely essential. You should be adept at creating invoices. But did you know you can also create sales receipts and estimates? This flexibility allows you to handle different types of sales transactions effectively. Creating an estimate is straightforward. Go to the New button, select Estimate, fill in the customer details, items, and terms. Once accepted, you can easily convert the estimate into an invoice, maintaining a seamless workflow. For businesses handling multiple projects, the projects feature is invaluable. It allows you to track income, expenses, and profitability for each project separately. To create a project, navigate to the Projects tab and click Start a Project. Assign it to a customer, and you can start tracking all related transactions in one place. This level of tracking helps in assessing the profitability of individual projects. Lastly, let's explore integrating third-party apps. QuickBooks Online supports a wide range of applications that can enhance its functionality. For instance, integrating a time tracking app can streamline payroll processes. To find and integrate an app, go to the Apps tab, browse the available options, and follow the integration steps. These integrations can significantly boost your efficiency and customize QBO to better fit your business needs. That wraps up our intermediate exploration of the QuickBooks Online interface. By leveraging these features, you can optimize your financial management and gain deeper insights into your business operations. Stay tuned for our next session where we'll dive deeper into QBO's capabilities. In this module, we'll go through the account and settings section of QuickBooks Online, exploring more advanced customization options to optimize your financial management. Let's dive right in. When you're ready to navigate to the account and settings section, you have a couple of options. You can either head to the gear menu on the top right and select Account and Settings under your company. Alternatively, you can simply scroll to the top left corner and hit the Settings button. QuickBooks gives you choices. This section allows you to tailor QuickBooks to meet your specific requirements. First, let's explore the Company tab. Here, you can add your company logo, which will be displayed on invoices and other sales forms, enhancing your professional appearance. Additionally, you can update your company name, tax identification number, and legal entity type. Don't forget to verify and fine-tune your contact details, including your website and email address. This ensures all communications and forms are branded correctly and consistently. Next, let's delve into billing and subscriptions. This section gives you a comprehensive overview of your QuickBooks subscription plan, whether it's Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. Here, you can also manage additional services like QuickBooks Online Payroll or Live Bookkeeping Service, and also understand their costs and features. Let's move to the Sales tab. Here, you can customize your sales preferences, such as default terms for invoices, preferred delivery methods for sales forms, and enabling options for discounts and shipping. These settings streamline your sales process and ensure consistency in your transactions. Under the Expenses tab, you can choose to display items on expenses and purchase forms, use tags to categorize expenses, and track expenses by customer. Additionally, you can enable purchase orders and customize the default settings for them. This level of detail helps in accurate expense tracking and reporting. Next, let's configure payment settings in the Payments tab. Here, you can set up payment options and add a Pay Now button to your invoices, making it easier for customers to pay electronically. Streamlining your payment process can improve cash flow and reduce the time spent on collections. Now, let's explore the Advanced tab. This is where you can set your fiscal year, accounting method, be it cash or accrual, and enable other advanced features. For instance, you can activate classes and locations for more detailed tracking, set up automated workflows, and configure user permissions to enhance security. In the Currency section, you can enable multi-currency if your business deals with international transactions. This allows you to handle multiple currencies and exchange rates, keeping your financials accurate and up to date. Finally, let's look at other preferences. Here, you can customize the date format, number format, and time zone settings to match your preferences, ensuring that your financial reports and data entry align with your regional standards. By customizing these account settings, you're tailoring QuickBooks Online to fit your unique business needs, making it a powerful tool for managing your finances. With these customizations, you're not just using QuickBooks, you're on your way to mastering it. Thanks for joining us in this module, and stay tuned for more advanced tips and tricks in our next session. Until then, happy customizing! In this module, we are going to take a deeper dive into enhancing your QuickBooks Online dashboard, making it a more powerful tool for managing your business finances. As intermediate users, you already have a solid grasp of QBO basics. So we'll focus on advanced customization and optimization techniques to streamline your workflow and boost efficiency. First, let's start by customizing the layout of your QBO dashboard. Navigate to the Dashboard tab and click on the Customize Layout button. This will allow you to tailor the dashboard to display the information that is most critical to your business operations. Consider adding widgets such as bank accounts, profit and loss, invoices, expenses, sales, and overdue invoices. You can drag and drop these widgets to rearrange them in a way that best suits your daily workflow. To ensure that your dashboard displays up-to-date information, it's crucial to connect your bank and credit card accounts. This feature allows for automatic updates of your transactions, significantly reducing manual entry errors and ensuring that you have the latest data at your fingertips. To link an account, go to Transactions in the left-hand menu. Click Connect Account and follow the prompts to connect your bank securely. Once connected, QBO will automatically import and categorize transactions, saving you valuable time. Next, make use of the Manage Users feature to align roles and permissions to your team members. This is found under Settings by clicking on the gear icon and selecting Manage Users. Here, you can add users and assign them roles such as admin, standard user, reports only, or time tracking only, depending on their responsibilities. This ensures that each team member has access to the information they need while maintaining the security and integrity of your financial data. To stay on top of your financial tasks and deadlines, utilize the recurring transactions and reminders features. Set up recurring transactions for regular expenses such as rent, utilities, or subscriptions by navigating to Settings, then Recurring Transactions, and creating a new recurring transaction. This automation helps ensure that you never miss a payment and keep your accounts accurate. For deeper insights into your financial position, customize your reports. Go to the Reports tab, select a report such as Profit and Loss, Balance Sheet, or Cash Flow Statement, and use the customization options to filter, group, and display the data that is most relevant to your business. You can filter reports by date range, customer, vendor, or product or service. Save these customized reports and add them to your dashboard for quick access. This allows you to monitor key metrics and make informed decisions based on real-time data. Another advanced feature to consider is the project tracking tool, which helps you track income, expenses, and profitability by project. You can create new projects, assign income and expenses to them, and generate project-specific reports to see how profitable each project is. Finally, enhance your dashboard experience by using the QBO mobile app. The app offers a condensed version of your dashboard, allowing you to stay informed and make decisions on the go. Download the app from your device's App Store, log in with your QBO credentials, and customize your mobile dashboard to reflect the most important metrics for your business. By implementing these advanced customization and optimization techniques, you can transform your QBO dashboard into a powerful tool that enhances your business's efficiency, accuracy, and financial clarity. I hope these tips help you get the most out of QuickBooks Online. Thank you for joining me in this module. In this module, we'll walk you through each step of the integration process and discuss the numerous benefits that come with it. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflows, enhance productivity, or gain better insights into your business operations, integrating third-party apps can significantly elevate your QuickBooks Online experience. Integrating third-party apps with QuickBooks Online can bring a multitude of benefits, including increased efficiency, enhanced data accuracy, comprehensive business insights, and improved workflow. By automating routine tasks and reducing manual data entry, you can save valuable time and minimize errors by ensuring data consistency across all platforms that you're using. Additionally, integrated reporting and analytics tools provides deeper insights into your business, allowing for better decision making. Before diving into the integration process, it is essential to prepare adequately. First, identify your needs by determining which areas of your business could benefit from integration. This could include invoicing, inventory management, CRM, or payroll. Next, research suitable apps by exploring the QuickBooks App Store and reading reviews to find apps that best meet your business needs. Ensure the third-party app is compatible with your version of QuickBooks Online, and always back up your data before starting the integration process to prevent any data loss. Let's move on to the detailed steps for integrating a third-party app with QuickBooks Online. For this example, we'll use a popular invoicing app called StockPit. Log in to your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the Apps tab in the left-hand menu to open the QuickBooks App Store. Use the search bar to type StockPit and press Enter. Click on the app from the search results to open its details page. On the app details page, click the Get App Now button. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between QuickBooks Online and the app. This usually involves logging into your account and granting the necessary permissions. Once connected, you'll be directed to configure the app settings. Customize these settings according to your business requirements, such as synchronization frequency, data fields, and user permissions. Here are some post-integration tips. Regularly monitor the integration to ensure data is syncing correctly and troubleshoot any issues promptly. Train your team on how to use the integrated app effectively to maximize its benefits. You can also utilize the support resources provided by both QuickBooks and the third-party app for any assistance or advanced configurations. Other popular third-party apps that can be integrated with QuickBooks Online include Shopify, an e-commerce platform that helps businesses sell products online. Integrating Shopify with QuickBooks Online allows for automatic synchronization of sales data, inventory levels, and customer information, providing a unified view of your business operations. ProjectWork, a project management tool that helps teams organize tasks and collaborate effectively. Integrating ProjectWork with QuickBooks Online enables seamless tracking of project expenses, time entries, and billing, ensuring accurate financial records and improved project management. Envoice, an expense management app that simplifies the process of tracking and reimbursing employee expenses. Integrating Envoice QuickBooks Online allows for automatic import of expense data, streamlining the expense reporting process and improving accuracy. PayPal, a payment processing platform that facilitates online payments. Integrating PayPal with QuickBooks Online enables automatic synchronization of payment transactions, ensuring accurate financial records and simplified reconciliation. By understanding the specific benefits and functionalities of these apps, you can make informed decisions about which integrations will best meet your business needs and enhance your QuickBooks Online experience. In this exciting module, let's learn how to get started with SaasAnt and link it with QuickBooks Online. SaasAnt is a sophisticated SaaS tool that significantly enhances accounting processes by seamlessly integrating with QuickBooks. I'm going to guide you through each step of creating a SaasAnt account and connecting it to your QuickBooks Online account. Let's embark on this journey together to significantly enhance your accounting experience. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to the SaasAnt website at www.saasant.com. Once you arrive on the home page, you will notice the Try for Free button prominently displayed at the top right of the page. As I hover my mouse on the Try for Free, I can see two options available to us. And these are number one, I have the option of choosing from SaasAnt transactions or the Pay Tracker transactions. Let's delve into exploring the SaasAnt transactions option. Clicking on this option, you have the liberty to choose your relevant accounting tool which you are using. For instance, it could be Intuit QuickBooks or even Xero. Upon selecting QuickBooks, I get two more options. One is for the online version, and the second one is for the desktop version. As I click on the online option, I can see that it automatically takes me to my QBO login page. I need to enter the relevant QBO credentials, and that will lead us to another page asking us how we want to use SaasAnt transactions, as we want to use this for our own personal QBO account, or as an accountant, we can use it to work on our client's QBO account. Let's select and explore personal for our own use. Once we have selected, it's going to give us a successful connection prompt. Alternatively, you can also make an account in SaasAnt by using the following procedure. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the Sign Up button prominently displayed at the top right of the page. Click on this button to start your account creation. This will take you to a registration form where you'll need to provide some essential details. Here's what you'll fill out: your full name to personalize your accounting experience, a valid email address, which will serve as your primary communication channel and login username, a strong password for security purposes, and then you confirm your password by re-entering it to ensure accuracy. After you have entered your information, you'll see a button labeled Register. Click on this to proceed. You may be asked to complete a CAPTCHA challenge to verify that you're a real person. Once you submit the form, SaasAnt will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open your inbox, find the SaasAnt email, and click on the verification link inside to activate your account. It's as simple as that. Now that your email is verified, head back to the SaasAnt homepage and click the Login button. Enter the email and password you just set up, and you'll be taken directly to your new SaasAnt dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Your dashboard is the command center from which you'll manage all your integration settings. With your SaasAnt account ready, it's time to connect it to QuickBooks Online. Look for the option labeled Connect to QuickBooks on your dashboard. This is usually a prominent button. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to a login page for QuickBooks. Here, you will enter your QuickBooks credentials. After logging in, QuickBooks will display a permission page to authorize SaasAnt to access your QuickBooks data. Read through the permissions carefully, and if everything looks good, click on Connect to grant SaasAnt access. This step is crucial as it allows SaasAnt to synchronize data between itself and QuickBooks, enhancing your accounting operations. Once the authorization is complete, you will be redirected back to your SaasAnt dashboard. Now, go to the Settings tab. Here, you can specify the types of data you want SaasAnt to access and sync with QuickBooks, such as financial reports, transactions, and customer data. Make sure to review all the options and configure them according to your business needs. After setting up these preferences, click on Save to apply the settings. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully created your SaaS account and linked it with QuickBooks Online. You're all set to start managing your financial data more effectively, utilizing both SaasAnt and QuickBooks to their fullest potential. If you run into any issues or have questions, SaasAnt's support team is just a click away, ready to assist you. Thanks for watching this module, and I hope you find it incredibly helpful. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing you in the next module.
Hi, from everyone at Simon Says It. We hope you're enjoying this training lesson. Please like this video to show your support for the channel. If you want to take your learning further, earn a certificate for this course, and gain access to over 200 courses ad-free, click up there and go to simonsaysit.com. Thanks for watching, and back to the course.
In this module, we'll explore the more nuanced aspects of setting up service and non-inventory items. As an intermediate user, you'll learn how to fine-tune these elements to better suit your business needs. To begin, navigate to the gear icon at the top right and select Products and Services under the Lists menu. Alternatively, you can click on Sales and then select Products and Services from the tab on the right. This area allows you to manage all the items and services your business offers. Let's start by setting up a new service item. Click on New at the top right and select Service from the options. For this example, we'll create a service called Consulting Services. In the Name field, enter Consulting Services. In the Description field, provide a detailed description of the service, such as Professional Consulting Services by the hour. This description will appear on your invoices and sales forms. Next, set the rate for your consulting services. Let's say we charge $200 per hour. Enter this rate in the sales price or rate field. Then, choose the appropriate income account. Typically, this would be service revenue or a similar account that aligns with your chart of accounts. This ensures that your income is accurately categorized. If you want to track the sale of this service based on purchases, check the I purchased this product or service from the vendor's box. This is useful if you need to keep track of subcontracted services or any associated costs. For now, we'll just leave it unchecked. Once you have filled out the necessary details, click Save and Close. Your consulting services item is now ready for use in invoices and sales transactions. Now, let's set up a non-inventory item. Click on New again, and this time select Non-Inventory. For this example, we'll create a non-inventory item called Office Supplies. Enter Office Supplies in the Name field. In the Description field, provide details such as general office supplies like paper, pens, and other items. If you have a standard price for these supplies, enter it in the Sales Price or Rate field. Let's leave this blank for now, as prices can vary. Select the income account for sales of these items, like product sales. If you want to track the purchase of these supplies, check the I purchased this product or service from a vendor box. Enter the purchase information, such as the cost and expense account. For example, supplies and materials might be your expense account. Once all details are filled in, click Save and Close. Your office supplies item is now set up for both sales and purchases, allowing for accurate tracking and reporting. With these new items set up, let's explore how to manage existing ones. In the Products and Services list, you can edit, make inactive, or run reports on your items. Simply click the drop-down arrow next to any item to access these options. This flexibility ensures you can keep your item list up to date and relevant to your business operations. By mastering the setup of service and non-inventory items, you ensure that your QuickBooks account accurately reflect your business activities. This precision is key to effective financial management and reporting. Stay tuned for more advanced QuickBooks Online tips and tricks. Until next time, happy bookkeeping! Hello, everyone, and today we are going to explore the topic of managing deferred revenue in QuickBooks Online. Deferred revenue, also known as unearned revenue, is money received by a business for goods or services yet to be delivered or performed. It's crucial to properly account for deferred revenue to ensure accurate financial reporting and compliance with accounting principles. To start, let's understand why deferred revenue is important. When you receive payment in advance for products or services, this payment cannot be recognized as revenue until the goods are delivered or the services are rendered. Instead, it is recorded as a liability on your balance sheet, representing an obligation to deliver goods or services in the future. Let's start off by setting up a deferred revenue account. First, we need to set up a deferred revenue account in QBO. Navigate to the Transactions tab on the left-hand menu and select Chart of Accounts. Click on New to create a new account. Choose Other Current Liabilities as the account type and name it Deferred Revenue or Unearned Revenue. This account will be used to record the payments received in advance. When you receive an advance payment, you need to record it as deferred revenue. Create a sales receipt or an invoice for the advance payment. I will click on the New button here and select Invoice. Once selected, I will fill in with the appropriate customer, enter the payment amount as $1,000, and choose the deferred revenue account you just created. This ensures the payment is recorded as a liability rather than income. As you deliver the goods or perform the services, you can start recognizing the revenue. Create a journal entry to transfer the amount from the deferred revenue account to the appropriate income account. Navigate to the New tab, select Journal Entry under Other, and enter the journal date of the service delivery or goods delivery. Debit the deferred revenue account and credit the appropriate income account, such as sales or service revenue. This process ensures that the revenue is recognized in the correct period. Click Save and Close, and you will see that the deferred revenue account has been debited $500. Regular review and adjustment. It's essential to regularly review and adjust your deferred revenue account to ensure accuracy. Go to the Reports tab and run a balance sheet report to check the balance of your deferred revenue account. Compare it with your records to ensure all delivered goods and services have been appropriately recognized as revenue. Here, you can see that initially the deferred revenue liability was $1,000, and once the journal entry was passed for $500, this balance is reduced by $500 and the remaining balance is reflected on the balance sheet as $500. Adjust any discrepancies by creating additional journal entries as needed. To streamline the management of deferred revenue, consider using recurring transactions for regular advance payments. Go to Settings, select Recurring Transactions, and set up a new recurring sales receipt or invoice. This automation helps ensure consistent recording of advance payments, and it also reduces manual entry errors. By following these steps, you can effectively manage deferred revenue in QuickBooks Online, ensuring accurate financial reporting and compliance with accounting standards. Thank you for joining me today. In this module, we are going to navigate through the process of recording expenses paid from both bank accounts and credit cards. Think of QuickBooks as your digital symphony conductor, orchestrating financial transactions with precision and finesse. Let's begin our journey by delving into the art of recording expenses settled through a bank account. Clicking on the New button opens the gateway to a realm of fresh transactions. Navigate to the Vendors or Suppliers section, where the gentle touch of exploration finds its way to the expense option. In this landscape of the expense screen, our first task is to carefully select the payee. A soft touch on the drop down menu reveals an array of existing payees, ranging from customers to vendors. If your desired vendor isn't in the list, fear not, we have the option to create one. Imagine a scenario where we procure supplies from a novel vendor residing in our database. Let's say it is Every Fresh. A click on Add New, a few keystrokes to input details, and voila, the vendor is conjured into existence. Now, the next step involves selecting the account from which this payment should emerge. The canvas offers the option to enter a bank account, a credit card account, or an other current account, ushering into a symphony of financial harmony via the expense module. Envision tapping into one of our bank accounts, mirroring the settlement through a checking account. This showcases the artistry of creating expenses directly from the bank account. Think of it as a financial ballet, with wire transfers and electronic payments seamlessly drawing funds to fulfill vendor obligations. The payment method invites us to choose the method of our financial embrace. Suppose debit card isn't already an option. No cause for concern. A gentle stroll to add new, and with a stroke of the keyboard, we introduce the entity debit card. This touch ensures that our transaction history whispers to us, revealing the exact modality through which our financial commitment was expressed. If a reference or transaction number desires inclusion, it stands as an option, gracefully weaving into the narrative at the user's discretion. The stage is set for the next step, the selection of the category. We gracefully navigate to the drop down menu and select Cost of Goods Sold. As part of the Cost of Goods Sold, we see the option Food Material. A soft click on Save and Close sets in motion the silent transfer, debiting the designated amount from the bank account. The curtain falls on this expense transaction, leaving a trail of financial harmony in its wake. Now, let's add layers of intricacy to our understanding of creating expenses paid from the bank. Imagine a scenario where our financial transactions aren't just routine payments, but components of a larger financial strategy. By categorizing expenses, we not only record transactions, but lay the foundation for comprehensive financial reports. Now, let's shift our focus to handling expenses with credit cards in QuickBooks, an integral aspect of digital financial choreography. Imagine QuickBooks as your digital money organizer, storing all spending information in a place accessible with a click on New. However, since credit cards introduce a unique dimension, a subtle change is required. Click on Payment Account and choose your credit card, informing QuickBooks that this time we are using the credit card. Next in line is the payee, the name of the place where you spent money. Suppose you went to ExxonMobil. Type that in, click Add New to create this place in QuickBooks, and then Hit Save. Tell QuickBooks how you paid, a credit card in this case. With that sorted, pick a category for what you bought. If you got gas, for example, choose Vehicle, Gas, and Fuel under Vehicle Expenses. Ensure your chart of accounts is set up right at the beginning. Consider it as tuning your financial instruments for big performances. After all that, input the amount spent, let's say $150. Attach your receipt either by dragging it or clicking in the attachments section. It's like keeping a digital record of your spending. Finally, click on Save and Close. Your credit card expense is now part of your story in QuickBooks. What if you get a refund? You return something and get the money back. Go back to New, pick Credit Card Credit, and choose the vendor. Say, for instance, Walmart. Save it, and you have recorded a credit card refund. And that's it. Your digital financial story is complete. You have just recorded both a credit card expense and a credit card credit in QuickBooks. In conclusion, mastering the art of recording expenses in QuickBooks is not just a technicality. It is a symphony where each transaction contributes to the melody of your financial story. Stay tuned for more insights, tools, and strategies to elevate your financial prowess. Happy recording! In this module, we'll be exploring how to handle international transactions in QuickBooks Online. Managing international transactions effectively is crucial for businesses dealing with clients, suppliers, or employees across different countries. This involves dealing with multiple currencies, exchange rates, and international tax regulations. Let's go through the steps to ensure smooth handling of these transactions in QuickBooks Online. The first step is to enable the multi-currency feature in QBO, which allows you to handle transactions in multiple currencies, track foreign currency gains and losses, and manage accounts in different currencies. To enable multi-currency, navigate to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner, select Account and Settings, and go to the Advanced tab. Find the Currency section, click Edit, and check the box for multi-currency. Confirm your choice by clicking Save and Done. This feature is essential for any business dealing with international clients or suppliers, as it provides the flexibility to handle various currencies efficiently. Once multi-currency is enabled, you can add foreign currencies to your QBO account. To do this, go to the Transactions tab and select Chart of Accounts. Click on New to create a new account. Choose the appropriate account type, such as bank, accounts receivable, or accounts payable. Let's say accounts payable China. This setup allows you to accurately record and manage transactions in different currencies, ensuring your financial records reflect the true value of international transactions. When recording international sales and expenses, it's important to select the appropriate currency for each transaction. For example, to record an international sale, create an invoice or sales receipt for the international customer, ensure their profile has the correct currency set, and enter the transaction details, including the amount in the foreign currency. Save the transaction, and QBO will automatically calculate the amount in your home currency based on the current exchange rate. Let's say we have a customer based in China as Mr. Yu. So I will generate an invoice against this customer, and as I set up this customer, I need to make sure that I select the correct currency as Chinese yuan for this customer. This process ensures accurate revenue recognition and financial reporting for international transactions. QBO automatically updates exchange rates daily, but you have the option to manually adjust the exchange rates if needed. To adjust exchange rates manually, go to Settings and select Currencies. Find the currency you want to update and click on Edit Exchange Rate. Enter the new exchange rate and click Save. This functionality allows you to ensure that your financial records reflect the most accurate and relevant exchange rates, which is particularly useful during periods of significant currency fluctuation. For paying international suppliers or employees, you need to create a bill or expense in the relevant foreign currency. To do this, create a new bill or expense, select the supplier, and ensure their profile has the correct currency set. Enter the transaction details, including the amount in the foreign currency, and save the transaction. For instance, we have suppliers named as China, traders based in China, and Flourish Bakeries have acquired equipment from these vendors. So for that, a new bill is generated for them. And similarly, when setting up this new vendor, the correct currency has to be selected. Handling payments in the correct currency ensures that you maintain accurate financial records and comply with international payment standards. By following these steps, you can effectively manage international transactions in QuickBooks Online, enabling multi-currency, adding foreign currencies, recording international sales and expenses, managing exchange rates, handling international payments, and using relevant reports will ensure accurate financial tracking and compliance with international standards. Thank you for joining me in this insightful module. Let's explore the captivating world of financial choreography in QuickBooks Online. In this module, we are diving into the art of making transfers and credit card payments, the nuanced steps that transform mundane transactions into a mesmerizing ballet of numbers and narratives. Let's start our dance with the elegant interbank transfers. Picture this. You gracefully navigate to the new menu, and under the enchanting column titled Other, you choose the option Transfers. The stage is set for a financial dance between bank accounts. Imagine the graceful movements between our checking account, Bank of America 1001, and our savings account, Bank of America 1005. QuickBooks provides a preview of balances, adding a poetic touch to guide us in our financial decisions. However, it's important to note that these transactions are not real-time magic. Rather, QuickBooks becomes the storyteller, recording transfers already orchestrated by the user through the bank's website or direct communication. Let's say there's a $2,000 transfer from checking to savings. With a memo added to narrate the purpose, the dance unfolds, creating a harmonious record of financial movement. Our financial ballet extends beyond mere movements between bank accounts. A grand leap into the world of balance sheet reveals the ability to transfer funds from a bank account to an asset or liability account. Picture this, shifting funds from the Bank of America 1005 to a realm known as prepaid expenses with a $5,000 flourish and a narrative of prepaid expense of insurance for the year. While transfer allows such diverse movements, it's advisable to reserve them for their original purpose of transferring between bank accounts. For tracking specific payee information, the screens of expenses or checks prove more fitting. As the curtain falls on the transfer act, another scene unfolds. The art of paying down a credit card. In this act, we click on New and navigate to the other realm, selecting Pay Down Credit Card. Similar to a transfer, this waltz involves taking money from a bank account to settle the balance of a credit card. The destination account, however, is exclusively a credit card. Here, a subtle difference emerges. A payee, a touch of personalization to the financial narrative. A mesmerizing dance of $1,500 flows from the bank account, Bank of America 1005, to the graceful American Express credit card. A digital transfer or electronic payment, adorned with optional memos and attachments, concludes with a click on Save and Close. But behold, the story can be told in another way. A regular transaction type, the transfer, also provides a portal to pay down a credit card. In this narrative, the source account, Bank of America 1001, orchestrates a $1,500 transfer to the credit card, American Express. As the tale unfolds, we enter the realm of the credit card register, witnessing both payment types, a different dance, yet harmonizing in the grand symphony of financial accounting. The chapter on transfers and credit card payments in QuickBooks Online gracefully concludes, leaving behind a trail of financial poetry and a stage set for future financial ballets. In this intricate dance of dollars and data, QuickBooks Online emerges as the choreographer, seamlessly orchestrating the movements of funds between accounts and providing a canvas for the financial narratives to unfold. So, dear users, continue to waltz through the world of digital finances, where every transaction is a step in the grand ballet of financial management. Until the next act, happy dancing! It will be my pleasure to guide you through the process of handling recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online. Recurring transactions are a remarkable feature in QBO that can save you time and ensure consistency in your financial records. Let's embark on this journey together to master this functionality with precision. To begin, navigate to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner of your QBO dashboard. From there, select Recurring Transactions under the List section. This will bring you to the Recurring Transactions page, where you can view and manage all your recurring entries. To create a new recurring transaction, click the New button, which opens a drop-down menu with several options such as Invoice, Expense, Journal Entry, and more. Choose the type of transaction you want to automate. Let's take the example of setting up a recurring expense. Select Expense from the drop-down menu. In the Recurring Expense screen, fill out the necessary details such as the template name, type such as scheduled, reminder, or unscheduled. You can fill out a certain number of days and write them here. Select relevant payee and the amount. Then fill in interval, for example, daily, weekly, monthly, and so forth. And finally, the start date. You can also choose the payment method against this expense from the option here. In the Payee field, select or create a new vendor. For instance, imagine setting up a monthly recurring expense for office supplies purchased from Office Depot. Enter Office Depot as the payee, choose the expense account, such as office supplies, and enter the amount, say $200. You can also specify the payment method and add a memo like monthly office supplies order. If the expense is split between multiple accounts, you can add additional line items to allocate the amount correctly. For example, if $150 is for office supplies and the balance of $50 is for printing services, add a line for each category. Once done, you can click on Save Template. Now, let's explore setting up a recurring invoice. Select Invoice from the drop-down menu. Suppose you have a monthly subscription service that you bill your clients for, such as monthly IT support. Fill out the necessary details, such as the template name, type, such as scheduled, reminder, or unscheduled. You can fill out a certain number of days and write them here. Select relevant customer and email, then fill in interval, daily, weekly, monthly, and the start date. Enter the product or service details, add a memo if needed, like monthly IT support and maintenance. After filling out the details, you have three options to choose from: scheduled, reminder, and unscheduled. Selecting scheduled means QBO will automatically create the transaction on the specified dates. Reminder will prompt you to review and approve the transaction before it is recorded. Unscheduled allows you to save the transaction as a template that you can use manually whenever needed. Once you have made your selections, click Save Template to finalize the recurring transaction setup. You can always edit or delete recurring transactions by returning to the Recurring Transactions page and selecting the appropriate action from the drop-down menu next to each entry. For example, if you need to update the amount for your monthly office supplies expense, simply click Edit and make the necessary changes. Regularly review your recurring transactions to ensure they remain accurate and relevant to your current financial situation. This proactivity ensures that your financial data stays up to date and reflects your business's actual activities. By effectively utilizing the recurring transactions feature in QBO, you can automate routine financial tasks, reduce the risk of errors, and free up valuable time to focus on more strategic aspects of your business. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your monthly invoices and expenses are handled seamlessly, allowing you to concentrate on growth and innovation. Thank you for joining me in this module. I hope these steps help you streamline your financial processes in QuickBooks Online with ease and elegance.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.